If you're trying to cast videos from VLC media player on your phone to your Google TV, but it's not connecting, not showing your TV, or the video won't play, it's usually caused by network mismatches, outdated VLC versions, or Chromecast protocol errors. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix VLC casting issues on Google TV quickly. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check Wi-Fi and restart devices. In order to cast, both your Google TV and your casting device, like phone or tablet, must be on the same Wi-Fi network. Solution 2. Clear Google Cast cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. From there, navigate to the settings. Now scroll down to apps and open it. Then see all apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Now select show system apps. Scroll down through this list to find the Google Cast. Once you find it, open it. Then from here, select clear cache. Then confirm your choice. After that, select clear data and confirm your choice. Doing this removes all the user data of Google Cast, but usually this fixes the issue. Solution 3. Enable wireless casting on VLC. This process is in your smartphone. Whether you are using an iPhone or an Android, the process is quite similar. I'll use my Android Samsung phone for example here. Open the VLC app, then go to the More tab. Go to Settings, now scroll down to the Extra Settings section. Select Casting. Now make sure that wireless casting is checkmarked here. If it's already checked, uncheck it and wait a few seconds. Then checkmark it again. This should reset the setting. Now give your phone a restart as well. You should be able to cast with VLC after this. And that's how you can fix casting problems between VLC and your Google TV. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV and streaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.